Hey, this is Ken from Scott Anderson Design. We're just starting a new project today. We're just prepping right over here. If you look, you'll see we got John washing the wall. We're going to be sealing it. They've been having a problem with leaks into their basement. So we're going to be sealing this wall. Alright guys, here we are. As you can see, we have the foundation tarred. Pretty soon we're going to be installing these boards over here for extra insulation and just to keep all the water out. We're going to be putting those in directly in place there, and then we'll be backfilling with our brand new little toy. Alright, so keep watching for more.